If you're a man over 40 struggling with erectile dysfunction, let's have a real pressure free conversation. No shame, no judgment, just the facts and simple, actionable advice that could help you turn things around. ED or erectile dysfunction is incredibly common. In fact, it's so common that almost half of the men over 40 will experience erectile dysfunction at some point in their lives. But it's just because it's common doesn't mean you have to accept it as your new normal. Let's break it down together. What exactly is erectile dysfunction? Erectile dysfunction means you're having trouble getting or keeping an erection that's firm enough for sexual activity. Sometimes it happens now and then, but if it's happening regularly, it might be time to look a little deeper. Now, here's the good news. ED is often a symptom of something fixable, and many times simple lifestyle changes can make a huge difference. Why is this happening? Let's talk about what could be happening behind the scenes. Number one, blood flow issues. Your penis relies on strong blood flow to work properly. If your blood vessels are narrowed, maybe due to high cholesterol, poor diet, or lack of exercise, things won't function as they used to. Number two, low testosterone. As you age, your testosterone levels naturally decrease. This hormone plays a major role in decrease. This hormone plays a major sexual health, mood, and energy. Number three, stress and mental load. We are juggling careers, relationships, finances, and it all adds up. Stress triggers hormones that literally restrict blood flow, which can directly affect your performance. Number four, lifestyle habits. Number four, smoking, too much alcohol, poor sleep, lack of movement. These things might feel normal day to day, but quietly chip away at your sexual health over time. So, what can you do about it? Here's the good stuff. You can take control. Let's walk through a few changes that have helped countless men feel better both in and out of the bedroom. Number one, move your body. Regular physical activity, even brisk walking for 30 minutes a day, can drastically improve circulation. Bonus, it also boosts energy, confidence, and testosterone. Number two, eat for performance. Swap the greasy takeout for real whole foods, leafy greens, berries, fatty fish, nuts, leafy greens, berries, fatty fish, nuts, all support healthy blood vessels and hormone balance. A clean palate leads to clean blood flow. Simple as that. Number three, improve your sleep. Your body heals and restores itself when you're sleeping. Aim for at least 7 to 8 hours of sleep. Make your bedroom cool, dark, and screen free. Number four, cut back on alcohol and quit smoking. Heavy drinking slows your nervous system, and smoking damages your blood vessels. Cutting these down or quitting can work wonders. Number five, practice Kegels. Yes, men can do Kegels too. Strengthening the pelvic floor muscles supports stronger. Yes, men can do Kegels too. Strengthening the longer lasting erections. Just tighten the muscles you use when you're urinating and stop urinating, hold it for a few seconds, and then release. Do this regularly and you'll see great results. Number six, talk to your partner. Open, pressure free communication reduces anxiety. Sometimes just removing the fear of having to perform changes everything. Focus on connection and intimacy first. Performance follows naturally. When to see a doctor? If you're making all the changes and still not noticing any improvement, it's worth going to a doctor and getting a checkup. ED can be a sign of underlying issues like heart disease or diabetes, conditions that are much easier to treat when caught early. There are also medications and therapies that can help if lifestyle changes aren't enough. The point is, don't suffer in silence. Erectile dysfunction doesn't define your manhood, it's just a health signal. And the best part, most of the things that fix ED can also improve your energy, mood, and lifespan. That is a win win. So, if this resonated with you, start with one small change today. Go for a walk, cook a healthy meal, get a solid good night's sleep. Your future self will thank you. And hey, if this helped you, consider liking the video. And hey, if this helped you, and dropping a comment below about what step you're going to do to improve your erectile dysfunction. You got this. Also, I have created a powerful free masterclass where you'll discover how to increase your testosterone levels naturally. Inside the masterclass, you'll learn what testosterone really is, what are the symptoms of low testosterone, proven natural methods to increase your levels safely and effectively. And after the masterclass, you'll get an opportunity to book a one on one call with me where I'll personally help you understand your current situation, identify what's holding you back, and create a step by step action plan to move forward. You understand. See you in my next video. Thank you.